afternoon from Castillito del Caribe. I wanted to do a quick video to show you guys some recent improvements. This is the door from the first floor to the second floor. This gate was here before, but I want to show you what we've done. We've now got dual master suites on the top floor. For this season, summer season, we're going to be having it available as a 3-bedroom, but we've made some changes that I'll show you. So this is the new door to the bathroom. It used to be on the other wall. Those of you that have been here before know that. And then we changed up the vanity, put the vanity where the toilet used to be. And so that's over here by the shower. And what I'm loving is the tub is gone. We've removed the tub. It's now a lovely walk-in shower, just the same as what we have on the first floor, rain shower head, and a little thing to rinse your feet off if you need be. So then what we did, we took out the door. You can see a little bit of the support beam up ahead. That's where the old slider used to be. So we pushed out the wall so that it is closer to the ocean, and we don't have the wasted patio space. There's our turtle. You might remember him before if you've stayed here. And this is the new wet bar, kitchenette area, microwave, coffee maker, really nice deep sink with a bar style faucet, and then refrigerator, water dispenser over on this wall. And then as you move into the expanded area, you'll see the TV's now mounted on the wall, and it's on a swivel, so you can watch it from either the living area. You can sit in this nice little comfy fainting couch, and then the king bed, of course, over on this side. So it's quite spacious, and there's the armoire and the dresser. And we haven't quite finished decorating. The construction guys literally just finished like 5 o'clock yesterday. But this is now what you can sleep to. It's a little bit smaller patio, but it's still a really good size. And we swapped out the staircase. Used to be you came up where the door is, and now you come up towards the ocean. So as soon as you get at the top of the staircase, that's what you see is that beautiful Caribbean Sea. And then we put in a staircase leading up to the rooftop patio, which will eventually be a 3rd-story apartment. And now we have an extension. We didn't used to have any shade up here. Now we do. We have nice shaded patio area up on this floor, as well as a sitting area. And then we're going to also be adding some hammock campers. So what a lovely place to lie in the hammock and be able to enjoy this lovely view. The breeze is blowing. It's really gorgeous. And then I think I blew by it at the beginning of the video, but this side is not finished yet, but I'll make another video to show you what that one looks like. As I mentioned, they just finished construction last night at 5 o'clock, so we were really busting it last night and today to get it ready for our guests that showed up. So look forward to seeing you again soon if you've been here, and please come visit us if you haven't been to Castillito del Caribe. Have a great day.